welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a L'Oreal and Isabel Marant look. So L'Oreal sent me their Isabel Marant products. This is a collaboration between L'Oreal and Isabel Marant. So there's a eyeshadow, a highlight, a lipstick and a mascara. So Isabel Marant created this collection with L'Oreal and it was all about fashion meeting beauty. She created a range that can be used on the catwalks and also can be used on the streets, and it's all about the woman on the go, how to create that effortless beauty but still high fashion look. I am sporting a look right now, but if you are brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So what are you waiting for? Have you hit the subscribe button? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've primed my face and done my concealer already, so time to go in with the foundation. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation and it is in the shade, what shade is it now? Okay, I've rubbed off the shade, but basically this is the True Match foundation. I just take 2 pumps of this. I absolutely love this foundation. It is super buildable, and I honestly think for a drugstore foundation, this is probably one of the best. But it's medium to full coverage. Although it does cover my dark scarring, throughout the day it does kind of disappear. But I think for a drugstore foundation, you can't really go wrong, to be honest. But it has a very nice golden tone and a little bit of shimmer to it, and it is actually the perfect foundation shade for me. Like whenever I wear it, people always compliment me on how dewy my skin is. I'm just setting that just lightly with a little bit of powder from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Magic Powder, and yeah, let's see what's inside. So let's go in with the eyes. This is the little eye palette. It says smoke, where there's smoke there's fire, and it literally comes in 2 shades, like an emerald green color and then like a black color. So I'm thinking maybe to do a black eye and then the emerald under eye. So yeah, just gonna prime my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And because I want the eye to be a little bit more wet and matte, I'm going to take my Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover setting spray. It doesn't have to be like anything special, but just like a wet setting spray. And just dab my brush into that black eyeshadow. I'll just swatch it for you. And it's literally just a deep black shade. And I'm just gently patting that into my eye. And then of course we gon' blend with a blending brush. This is just from Illamasqua. Okay, then just taking that kind of emerald green colour and then going in on my lash line. This is the emerald green colour. It's kind of like a blue. I don't know what that's swatching like. It's kind of like a dark seawater blue, but I suppose when you do like fashion shows and runway, it is all kind of like mystic and dark. Well, not all the time. I suppose for winter, you know, but it's not really swatching really well. So let's just take that on my lash line. Okay, so I've put on my mascara and a little bit of blush off camera. I want to show you this. This is the little shine pot, and Isabel Marant says you can use it anywhere. So I'm just going to place this just into the cheeks. It's just like a little pink pot and it's meant to beautify. So let's be dabbing. I just put some on the bridge of my nose and on the other side of my cheek. But it's just a great glowing highlight when you want to have a natural highlight, just to give a little bit of luminosity to the face. So there's a range of lipsticks here. I'm just going to swatch them one by one and then I'm going to go in with my favourite shade. So we have Rodeo, which is like a deep burgundy red. I'm kind of feeling that shade, but let's be swatching the rest. We have La Butte Marshall. That's kind of a deep red but with more of a reddish undertone. This has more of a brownish undertone. We have Pigalle Western, which is a red with kind of more pinkish undertones. Palais Royal Fields, which is kind of like a true red colour. And finally Seine Shadow, which is more of a kind of muted nude. So I'm going to go in with Seine Shadow because I feel like this suits my look a little bit more. Oh, this lipstick is nice and creamy. It's nice and creamy, but it is again a matte lipstick and that's what it looks like on. But yeah, it's a nice shade of red and a little muted nude. Finally, they have this mascara, but it's clear and they say that you can use it on your brows and lashes to tame and define brows. So I'm going to just use it to set my brows. So yeah, I think the products are super cute, super easy to use. There's nothing like really hard about using these products. They're just literally on the go products, which I think Isabel Marant used them during her fashion shows. L'Oreal was the makeup artist. So I think it's very fun and easy to use. I don't think it's anything dramatic or it's going to give you crazy contour or whatever. That's not what the purpose of the products are. Isabel Marant wanted to infuse fashion with beauty. She wanted something that was ready for the catwalk but also ready for the streets. And they are multi-purpose products for women on the go. So that's what the collection is. I would say my favourite thing is the eyeshadow palette. I like the look it has given me, and those are my thoughts. But yeah guys, that's the end of the video. But if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of where you can get these products from. But I guess I'll see you in another video, and remember to always stay what? Bougie. Thank you.